In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Clover and QuickBooks Online. To get started, log into your account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the Integrations option. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where you can connect third-party tools and services to help your workflow run more smoothly, and it's where you'll begin the process of linking Clover with QuickBooks Online. Once you're inside the Integrations section, select Explore Integrations. This will open the marketplace or directory where available integrations are listed. If you see a lot of options, don't worry. The easiest way to find what you need is to use the search feature. In the search bar, type in Clover. After a moment, the Clover integration should appear in the results. When you see it, click on it to open the integration page. On this page, you'll be able to review the overview and details of the integration. This is a useful step because it gives you a better understanding of what the connection does, what kind of syncing is supported, and what to expect once the two platforms are connected. Take a moment to read through the information shown here. It can help you confirm that you've selected the correct integration and that it matches your business needs. This is especially helpful if you manage accounting and sales data and want to make sure everything flows properly between Clover and QuickBooks Online. When you're ready to move forward, click Get Integration or Learn More in the top right corner of the page. From there, continue with the setup process by following the prompts provided on screen. The setup is generally straightforward and the system will guide you through the required steps to complete the connection correctly. At this point, I'm not able to continue the setup on screen because I'm working in a demo environment, so the full connection process isn't available here. However, once you reach this stage in your own account, simply follow the instructions provided. They're designed to walk you through the sync process clearly and help ensure everything is connected properly. As you complete the setup, take your time and double-check each screen before moving on. That can help prevent errors and make sure your Clover and QuickBooks Online sync is configured the way you want it. And that's it. That's how to begin syncing Clover and QuickBooks Online quickly and correctly.